Okay students, it's time to discuss the question answers of your poem Chevi. So after reading this stanza you have to write these answers. What is the other word that can you replace grown-ups? So grown-ups also called adults. Why shouldn't you talk with your mouth full? So when we are eating, while eating something, always we used to heard that it is not good to talk because it is considered as a unmannered activity. Now what is wrong with picking your nose? Will it be acceptable if you do it in private or publicly? Picking your nose would not consider be good because it would be considered as a bad behavior. It would be not acceptable whether it is in private or publicly. It's actually a bad manner. You always heard this line. Underline the word that means to look at someone continuously. So that is called stare. So stare at someone means to look at someone continuously. When should one say please? After reading this stanza, you have to write this answer. So when should one say please? So please should be used when giving instruction to make the thought more polite. Actually, if we want to say something very politely, we should add it please. If you leave the door open behind you, what do you think will happen? What happen if you leave the door open? Okay, in such type of condition, it is very obvious some mishap or loss would happen in your house. Why should there be less noise? Why we not create no more noise? Being around excessive noise has been found to affect our health, and it is also considered as a bad manner. Take the synonym of drag. So synonym of drag is draw with F.